Out of Cape Town, chaos in the air. Taxi drivers fighting hard, they are struggling with share lives. Lost in the beggars, family cries in despair. Hustling for their hustle, government not aware. In the lanes where we cry, patience collide. People searching for work in this hustle abide. Through the pain and the strife, we continue to ride. Voices of the 100 can't let them slide. When we look at the stars, we see our way. In the heart of the struggle, we fight for repair. Every life is a story, every corner a tale. Through the chaos and noise, we will prove our mad. Roads painted red, blood chases ambition. Government talks of peace while you sink in division. Commuters caught in the storm, a heart's redemption. Voices in the street fighting for recognition. Voices rise, taxi wars never dies. Dream of peace we still try while the siren cry. Voices rise, taxi wars never dies. Dreams of peace we still try while the sirens ride. Through the noise, hope still clamors bright. In the shadows we stand ready to unite. Voices echo in the dead of the night. With our dreams as our guide, we'll rise and fight. Voices rise, taxi wars never dies. Dreams of peace we still try while the sirens cry. Through the noise, hope still clamors bright. In the shadows we stand ready to unite. Voices echoing in the dead of the night. With our dreams as our guide, we'll rise and fight. In every small act, a spark is ignite. From the ashes of struggle, our hope every night. Young ones rise, they are courage and invited. In the midst of despair, their dreams reignited. With each passing day, they learn and they strive. Strength in existence, we keep hope alive. In the face of distractions, we still dare to thrive. Creating a future where all can arrive. Conversation gather, we are the eye of the youth. We need to break the cycle, let us speak the truth. Power in numbers, rise up from the port. Breaking down the walls, seeking justice for truth. Let the rhythm unite us, let the words flow free. A movement in the making, come stand with me. As we challenge the system, it's our decree. For the voiceless and the lost, we will be the key. So I rap for my people, let the message be clear. In the struggle for freedom, we all share the fear. But to